Regional Automotive Center is home to 4 of our academic programs: Automotive, Collision Repair, Diesel, and Marine Technology. It's a 30,000 square foot training center that has both classroom and lab space. There are 4 automotive technology programs housed in this facility. The Collision Repair program is our newest program. It is designed to get a student entry-level skills within 2 semesters. Diesel Technology program has 2 main components. There's a medium-heavy truck component and a marine component. Formal training we provide prepares our students to go to work at any of the businesses in the area. Any program that we put on the books, whether it's a career study certificate or a degree, is a direct result of the employers coming to us and saying, this is something we need you to follow through on. Because of that, when the student goes out looking for a job, they know that if they came from Tidewater Community College, that it's a program that the business is directly involved in. It's definitely a two-way street. We're providing the training, they're providing the job opportunities for us.